Hey guys, Jim and Downley Ford in Mount Vernon. Doing a little bit different today. I want to show you what I think is one of the better vehicles at a good cost, under 10 grand, sitting here on the lot. It's an 09 Subaru. It is a Forester. Older gentleman traded in. He definitely didn't hurt it. Good brakes, good tires, leather on the inside, moonroof. If you know much about Subaru, I've read on more than one account that they do have the best all-wheel drive system out there. So my thought is a great first car, kid car, commuter car, you know, that sort of thing. Like I said, leather on the inside, moonroof, obviously the 4 seats. All-weather mats in it, cargo cover if you're hauling important stuff. Nobody can see it. Don't really see dents or dings. Obviously, like I said, it's a 2009. It does have just over 100,000 miles, but it's under 10 grand. I think would be a great starter car or good commuter car, guys. If it catches your eye, please come see us or let us know.